Texas leafcutter ants, Atta texana, are fascinating insects that belong to the subfamily Formicidae and the tribe Atta. They are known for their remarkable leaf-cutting behavior, which is one of the most complex and sophisticated forms of insect social organization. By the end of this video, you will have a comprehensive understanding of these remarkable creatures and their role in the ecosystem. So please watch the complete video, and if you are new to this channel, then subscribe to my channel for upcoming videos. Let's back to the video. Texas leafcutter ants exhibit a clear division of labor, with distinct physical differences among castes. The colony comprises 3 primary castes. Queens are the largest members of the colony, measuring up to 15–20 millimeters in length. They have a robust body with wings during their mating flights, and later they shed these wings as they establish a new colony. Workers are sterile female ants responsible for various tasks within the colony. They have a smaller size, ranging from 6–14 millimeters in length, and their bodies are dark brown to black in color. Males are the smallest members of the colony, measuring about 6–9 millimeters in length. Life cycle. The life cycle of Texas leafcutter ants consists of distinct stages. Egg. The queen lays tiny, oval-shaped eggs in the underground chambers of the nest. Larva. The eggs hatch into legless, grub-like larvae. The larvae are immobile and rely on the workers for feeding and care. Pupa. After a period of growth, the larvae spin a silk cocoon around themselves and enter the pupal stage. During this time, they undergo metamorphosis and transform into adult ants. Queen mating flight. New queens and males participate in the mating flight, during which mating occurs. After mating, the males die, and the newly mated queens shed their wings to find a suitable nesting site and establish a new colony. Social structure. Texas leafcutter ants live in large and highly organized colonies, exhibiting a complex social structure. Foraging behavior. One of the most remarkable behaviors exhibited by Texas leafcutter ants is their leaf-cutting behavior. The workers have specialized mandibles that allow them to cut out sections of leaves from various plant species. Contrary to popular belief, they do not consume these leaves directly. Instead, they use them as a substrate for cultivating a special fungus known as Ecological gangylophorus, the primary food source for the colony. The foraging process involves several steps. Leaf cutting. The workers venture out in long lines, seeking suitable leaves for the fungus. They cut uniform leaf fragments, which they can carry back to the colony with ease. Transportation. The workers carry the leaf fragments back to the nest, either in their mandibles or on their backs, depending on the size of the fragment. Leaf processing. Inside the nest, the workers chew up the leaf fragments into a pulp. The chewed leaves provide a substrate for the fungus to grow. Fungus cultivation. The workers carefully place the chewed leaf pulp in the fungus garden. The fungus rapidly colonizes the substrate and produces specialized structures called gangylidia, which serve as the primary food source for the ants. Harvesting fungus. Once the fungus garden reaches maturity, the workers carefully harvest the gangylidia to feed the colony. Communication. Communication is vital for the coordination and organization of the colony. Texas leafcutter ants use a combination of chemical signals, pheromones, tactile interactions, and vibrations to convey information. Pheromones. Pheromones are chemical signals emitted by the ants, primarily through their glands. These chemical signals convey a wide range of information, such as foraging trails, danger warnings, nestmate recognition, and queen pheromones that maintain colony cohesion. Tactile communication. Ants communicate through physical contact, such as antenation, touching antennae, and trophallaxis, food exchange. This helps in distributing colony-wide information about food sources and colony needs. Ecological significance. Texas leafcutter ants play a crucial role in their ecosystem, influencing various ecological processes. Leaf litter decomposition. The leafcutter ant's foraging behavior contributes to leaf litter decomposition, releasing nutrients back into the soil, benefiting other organisms. Seed dispersal. Leafcutter ants are accidental seed dispersers. Some seeds, inadvertently collected along with leaf fragments, may be carried back to the nest and discarded in refuse piles. This contributes to seed dispersal and can have implications for plant regeneration. Fungus symbiosis. The mutualistic relationship between the ants and the cultivated fungus is vital for both species' survival. The fungus provides the ants with a nutrient-rich food source, while the ants protect and maintain the fungus garden. Predator regulation. Leafcutter ants contribute to regulating herbivore populations through their foraging activities. Interactions with humans. While Texas leafcutter ants play essential roles in their natural ecosystems, their interactions with humans can sometimes lead to conflicts. Agricultural impact. In agricultural areas, leafcutter ants can become pests, as they may forage on cultivated crops and ornamental plants. Their leaf-cutting behavior can cause significant damage to crops, affecting crop yields and economic losses for farmers. Management strategies. Various management strategies have been employed to control leafcutter ant populations in agricultural settings. These include the use of chemical insecticides, physical barriers, and the introduction of ant-specific pathogens. Conservation. Despite their potential impact as agricultural pests, it is essential to recognize the ecological importance of Texas leafcutter ants and their role in maintaining biodiversity. Conservation efforts should aim to strike a balance between managing pest populations and preserving their natural habitats. Conclusion. Texas leafcutter ants, Atta texana, are truly remarkable creatures with complex social organization and fascinating leaf-cutting behavior. Understanding their role in the ecosystem and their interactions with humans is vital for promoting sustainable practices and preserving their unique contribution to the natural world. I hope so now you will understand Texas leafcutter ants. Thanks for watching my content. If you like my content, press the like button and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos. Thank you. Goodbye.